On this video, I'm going to replace AAV on this combi boiler. This is the ideal logic combi boiler, and the AAV was leaking. So how I did it, I got the grip and turn the AAV anti-clockwise and pull it up, so it should come easily like this. Just before that one, just make sure you turn the water off and you work electrically safe. So here, this is out. Over the leftover water of the housing. So you can compare this old AAV with the new one. So the old one is full of scales, you can see, and this is the new one, which I'm going to fit. So that's the housing where the AAV goes. Just get the tissue paper, wipe it nicely. So now this is the new one which will go. Just make sure that lock align on the housing like this. So once it's sit properly, just make sure about the gasket as well. So just put the gasket in, the washer in. Make sure this AAV sit properly on the housing like this. So this is aligned. Now you can see it's sitting properly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the screwdriver and I'll just push it down. So once it's fully down, get the grip again and turn clockwise, and it should lock on the housing. So here, you can see it's fully down. Now I'm going to use the grip again and turn clockwise, left to right. So here you can see this has been replaced. So I'm going to put the condensate trap back and repressurize the system.